vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Welcome to vidIQ, the tool, channel and academy that educates you on your YouTube journey. Now that you have installed the vidIQ extension on your browser, go to any YouTube watch page and you should see this box. You can either sign in via Google, log in with your existing vidIQ account or create a brand new one. In order for vidIQ to give you industry-leading research tools and data analysis, you do need to accept the following permissions on your YouTube channel. As creators ourselves, we know how important your channel is. We don't sell your data and we don't delete your content. Once you're